Your Honor, number 80977, Corporal Amos Ndoni of DCI, Bangi Fraud Investigation Unit, and I'm the eye of this case. Your Honor, I'm investigating a case of conspiracy to defraud, honor to section 317 of the Penal Code, and stealing, honor to section 268(1), as stated with section 275 of the Penal Code. Yes, Your Honor, the respondent was before the court is a person of interest in respect to the investigation which are investigating of the state offenses. And that, Your Honor, the offenses which were committed on the first date between 6 June 2025 and 14 June 2025 at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, where the respondent, dealing with us not before court or at lunch, conspired to defraud NCBA Bank a total of $4,046 US, which is equivalent to Kenya shilling 57 million.
57 million? Yes, read the full.
57,534,000. Yes, Your Honor, the respondent, being an employee of Rainfall Digital Limited as a software developer consultant, which is conducted by NCBA Bank to do system maintenance and upgrading of mobile banking platform and retail banking of the Rwanda NCBA subdivision branch, UCMTN banking, MTN mobile network of Rwanda. Your Honor, the respondent was before court, having called to assess the system of the bank on 6th June this year at around 05:33 hours, did an amendment that implemented through logic change, which caused the integration service to consistently return a success status in all ATM withdrawal requests, even when the funds were insufficient or the account does not exist. Your Honor, the respondent, following the illegal implementations of the amendment, around 70 customers in Rwanda initiated 260 transactions, resulting to the loss of the said amount. Third, Your Honor, through the action or inaction of the respondent, the complainant lost the said amount of money. Your Honor, the matter was reported at the Security and Investigation Department of the bank that the same was assigned to the bank found for further investigations. And that the Honor, on 16th day of June 2025, the respondent, while at NCBA headquarters within Nairobi, was detained, and the officers from the banking front unit were conducted and acted swiftly, where the respondent was escorted to the banking front office for further police action. Your Honor, the investigations are still going on, and the complexity of the matter of the investigations are not need more time to finalize the investigations. In particular, noting the technical expertise of the respondent, who is a software developer, there's a possibility that he will gain access into the system, which may result into more loss of funds to the bank and its clients. Your Honor, the respondent is still in possession of the bank's access logs, remote servers, and passwords, which is set to hand over, and also we need to record detailed statement of the respondent. Your Honor, the respondent is likely to interfere with the witnesses who are yet to record statement and compromise, tamper, or delete crucial digital evidence. Due to the seriousness of the offense, criminal investigators have established that he is working in cohorts with other persons and is likely to collude with the said accomplice, resulting further loss. Your Honor, owing to the huge financial loss, to over 57 million, and the number of clients affected, I believe further loss may occur even if the investigations are not complete. So, Your Honor, I'm praying this honorable court to allow me to detain the respondent for a period of 10 days at Capitol Hill Police Station to allow completion of investigations. That's all, Your Honor.
On the application by the investigation, dated a notice of motion application dated the 17th of June 2025, that seeks principally the respondent hearing to be detained for a period of 10 days to enable the investigation conclude the investigation. I've also considered the supporting affidavit sworn by the lead IO, who was the deponent who is on the dock. I've also considered the opposition thereto by the learned counsel on behalf of the respondent. So, having considered and appreciated the complexity of the investigation involved, vis-a-vis the expertise of the respondents, which is not in doubt, I find the application to be merited and competent to the extent that the respondent will be detained for a period of 5 days at the Capitol Hill Police Station. So I've granted the pre-trial detention for 5 days.